Hey there, scrappers. Today we're going to tear apart this here outdoor power source. It is heavy. As you can see, it's 20 pounds, 14.2 ounces. It says it's an after sunset landscape lighting box. So I guess it turns on your lights after dark. And we're going to tear this apart. We're going to see what we get and see if it's worth it. I think it probably will be. Hopefully there's a good bit of copper in this thing. But we'll find out. So let's get started. Got some switches. Look how heavy that wire looks. Definitely strippable on that. Wow. Let's hope these are full copper. I believe this is aluminum. So we're just going to grind these off. Hold your ears. Another one of my armatures from inside of one of my motors that I kept. Like I said, keep them. They make great punches. And the more you get, the different sizes you have. Get this screw out. And that's one nice piece of aluminum there. I'd go through this. This is metal, but there's other pieces here like this. I believe that's aluminum. So that's just metal, I think. But I'm going to go through this off screen, off camera. We are going to check to see if these are aluminum though real quick. I'm sure you are wondering, but look at all that paper. Got lots of paper in it. Let's get down to it and see what we got. Tin coated copper. Who knows? There it is, let's hope. And it is copper. That is copper. So we will be getting that out. So I'm going to get this apart. Okay, when I come back, we'll have everything up and we'll weigh it and see what we got. I'm pretty sure we're going to have some good numbers out of this. So stay tuned, it's going to be exciting. Okay, we're back. As you can see, the steel was 11 pounds, 8.1 ounces. A lot of that was these weight. So remember, it was like 20 pounds. A lot of that weight was these. So, but I do believe I made out pretty good on this. So let's do the aluminum next. The aluminum, which that whole case was all aluminum, and I do believe that this is extruded also. So, but I'm going to count it as just regular aluminum because that's what they don't give me extruded or anything here. But 5 pounds, 2.4 ounces for that aluminum. That's a good bit of aluminum out of that. Real nice aluminum. Insulated copper wire was 1.4 ounces. As you can see, I did skin some of the aluminum or some of the copper because it was pretty nice size, so I figured I'd go ahead and strip it. This here was a little bit smaller, so I just left it like that. But it's 1.4 ounces of insulated copper. The brass, you can see, is 0. We got 1.4 ounces of brass. Took them there, the little switches apart, and they had a couple little pieces of brass, some buttons which I took off, but wasn't too bad. And look how much copper we got out of that. It was almost 3 pounds. We got 2 pounds, 13.6 ounces. That was a lot of copper out of that. Wasn't expecting that. And this here almost looks like sterling. But it's copper. I'm not sure what it's coated with, but it's real bright. If anybody might know, let me know. I don't think it would be coated with sterling silver, but who knows? I mean, if you look at the tin, there's a big difference between the two. But yeah, I was surprised at 2 pounds and 13.6 ounces. That was a good bit out of that. It was a wonderful surprise. This stuff here, it wasn't the greatest to get off, but it wasn't the worst. So, alright, I hope you like my videos. I try to do some stuff that's different. I'll do some that I've seen taken apart too. I got lots of microwaves. But Also out of that, I forgot to show you. Also got a good many wire nuts, and they're nice ones too, so I want to keep those. But out of that 20 pounds, about 8 to 9 pounds was good stuff. So we'll figure up the amounts of everything and see what we got, and hopefully you'll like it. Like I said, please like, share, and subscribe my videos. I try to keep them coming at least a couple every week or so, and hopefully this new camera turns out good and you can actually see what I'm doing. It's not a blur. So, well, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time. See ya.